Kechi with PICO Builders. We're out in Kechi, Kansas today on a cool design build job that we're doing. We got guys out here getting after it, hanging siding. We got electricians inside getting after it as well. We started this job a little more than a month ago, probably a month and a half. Since then, we've poured footings, did the demo. We've put on a roof. We're doing siding. It's all framed up, obviously. PICO gets things done quick. We keep it clean, and you'll be back living in your house like we were never here. So this is where the room addition starts. All we did was get the same exact siding, matched it up, and we have two of our best installers out here putting it in. As fourth generation general contractors, we know that we need to do things right. We've always done them right. So you never have to worry if PICO's coming out to do some work for you. It's gonna be done right. It's gonna be done professionally. We got the best guys in the business. Thanks for tuning in today, guys. And remember, for all your building needs, choose PICO.